I don't want to hear I fall and I can't get up. It's not going to happen with this elevator, but it's beautiful. I actually owned a chairlift company, Acorn Stair Lift Company. So that was an option, but it's not pretty. It's not functional. It takes time. This thing is just special. In my mind, I needed an elevator for my mom because I'm all about safety and I didn't want my mom walking up and down the steps. That's how people get hurt. That's how older people get hurt. This is how you avoid somebody being hurt.
It's so convenient. I just love it. It's big enough for me and whatever I'm carrying, a pocketbook, a suitcase.
You know, I recommend it 150% because again, I know my mom's safe.
Is that sweet?
No, your son is...
He's so sweet. He's my love.
It's good stuff.